Hi, Vaidya here. Appium Python script which opens the Zoom application, creates a new meeting, invites the participants. Once the session is established, it shares the screen of this mobile. Three sisters enjoying. Then swipes the screen here and there. Finally, it ends the Zoom meeting. Check this. Zoom open, new meeting, start a meeting, connecting, participants, invite Zoom contacts. There are two Zoom contacts. Invite those two contacts, accepted the invitation. Admits both participants. Then shares. It's muted. Shares the screen. Start now. The current mobile screen is being shared. It is just swiping through the screens. Zoom. End the meeting. End meeting for all. Meeting ended successfully. Back. Okay. So this program is being successfully executed on the Coolpad Note6 mobile phone. Thank you.